how to sponsor on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a sponsorship on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by this I know what you mean. Maybe you want to boost your post or something like that and you want to run ads on Instagram. The very first necessary requirement here is that you should have either a creator account or a business account, which means a professional account. You can't do this on private account and personal accounts. So once you switch your accounts, you can select a post that you would like to sponsor or boost, then tap the boost post option right over here, and as you do that you should be able to see a list of details as to choose what you'd like to boost on Instagram, with a Facebook ad account or without a Facebook ad account. I'll just select that, tap on the continue button there, and after you have done that you can simply go ahead and select on the next page. You can simply change the ad account. Once you can change the ad account, what happens is that you can simply enter the payment details and then you will be able to sponsor on Instagram. This way you can sponsor on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.